Let's solve this question from Kinematics. It's given that a xt graph consists of three straight line segments, as given here. Segment A has positive constant slope, segment BC is horizontal, and CD has a negative constant slope with magnitude greater than that of it. Now, which of the following statements are correct? So for that, first we need to find out, we have to draw a VT and AT graphs. So let me draw VT graph over here, right? Velocity time graph. I don't have space, I'll draw it over here. Acceleration time. Acceleration time graph. Now, how do you convert from one to another? How do you do it? First, you look at the slope. Then you decide, right? So this has a positive slope. This has a zero slope and this is a negative slope. Consider this as an equation, like maybe 5x y equals 5x. So as you increase the value of x, this is how it will be. When you differentiate, as we learnt as Swati, with respect to time, you differentiate to the right and integrate to the left. What if we differentiate this? What do you get? You get only 5, which means what? It's a constant. So for all this upward slope, positive slope, you just draw a constant line in the uh, positive Cartesian plane. So it will look like this somewhat. So this is your AB. BC has a zero slope. What about zero slope? Zero slope, it has some value. Let's say it's 5, right? So there will be no velocity because the displacement is constant. So C will be like this. Am I right? Yes. First let me do it. And CD is negative slope. And so it is negative in the negative Cartesian plane, which means that fourth, right? This is first one, second, three, and it will be like this. C, D, right? Yeah, right. What about acceleration? If there's a constant velocity, then there is zero acceleration. So AB is like this. Zero velocity is for zero acceleration, BC. Negative velocity, but also constant, but still zero. So acceleration is zero throughout. This is correct. Speed in CD is greater than speed in AB. Is this correct? This is where constant slope, but with magnitude greater than that of AB comes in. When CD's slope is greater than AB, which means that if this is 5, this will be 10. But since we are only comparing the magnitude, the speed, not the velocity, it is greater. It's actually plus 5 and minus 10 for velocity. If they ask you which one is higher, then you would say plus 5 is higher, AB is higher. But since they're asking you speed, it's 10. Velocity is constant in AB and CD, correct. The particle changes direction at point C. Is this correct? Yes, it's true. Why? Because see this sign. It is positive and it's negative. At point C, what happens? It's a negative slope, which means that from 5 it went to 0 and 0 it goes to minus 10. This is the turning point for the particle. So this is also correct. So all these four statements are correct and all of the above is right.